Luke from QC3D coming at you with a little video project here. I wanted to make something like this for a while, so I did. Printed out the pieces. They printed really quick. They're not that large, about 100 millimeters tall per letter. These are just the default letters and numbers from Tinkercad. So hey, how I did it here, how I made this sign. Let's check it out. So I just brought in the standard text into Tinkercad here, and I hollowed out each letter. What a pain in the butt. I wish Tinkercad had a better feature for kind of getting a good cutout, but I had to take a bunch of pieces to kind of cut out the insides of each letter. I built these little standoffs here, so I put a standoff in to raise these up about 8 millimeters off the board. So I kind of did that all and sent it over to my printers, sliced it down, and printed them right up. They go very quick, man. They were just like hour 45 minute per letter on the Prusa Mini. So that part was done. Made the letters. I got some still pictures you'll see here, but what I used is I got a $5 set of these sticky rope lights, USB rope lights from Five Below. That's that store with all the delicious candy and $5 toys. They comes with a remote, so you can control on this set that I have. You can control the brightness, the flashing, cool, soft, day, warm, different light modes. It changes all that, so it's really cool. I installed these. So what I did is you'll look at the pictures. So I kind of marked how much I was going to need on each letter. I kind of measured it off, and just found a spot here, and I cut it right on the middle of these contact points here. So I was able to solder on some wire leads there. I then stuck it to the outside of my letter, ran the wire through my board, marked everything out. You can see, look under here, there goes the wire, there's a standoff. I colored those in black. So did that, soldered wires onto for each letter, pushed it through the back. Here's the back. So I couldn't wait for regular glue to dry, but man, this glue stick just killed it here. It looks like crap, but it works. It dries so quick, it holds nice and tight, holds everything still. So I did glue, so printed these out then. I printed out, measured up, printed out. I'm surprised they fit perfectly. I guess measuring with their micrometer and a really detailed printer, man. Printed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. 8 pieces around the border, and brought all my wires in. So it was originally, that rope light's originally kind of wired up in a sense of a series circuit, but I brought everything back and paralleled it, put a connector on it. There's 3 terminals that pass through. You get your power and then kind of like a control that controls the different settings. So there's a little control module. It's got a little antenna here at the end. You really got to get up underneath behind this thing here to get the controller to work, but hey, I don't care. So yeah, put that all in there. Screws through the back. I've marked them off in the front. You'll see that in my still pictures to hold that on there, and boom, it's done. Everything's below. This is just 10 millimeters high, or 15 millimeters high, maybe. This little this piece here. Around the side, cut out a little notch for my cord to go through, and it's good, man. It looks clean. I usually I'm not this clean and detailed with things that I make, but this turned out really well. I like it. So you'll see some lit up videos here within my post, but hey, thanks for watching. Luke from QC3D. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.